working from home has been a fantastic asset over the past year, 2 years, and it seems like it's going to stick for the time being. For all many good reasons, but there could be one major reason why it won't work, and that reason is a lot more serious than you may realize, because it's something that will slowly burn away and slowly eat away until it becomes a bigger problem. And this is stemmed from addicts. It's been multiple studies on this, on why people are addicted to stuff, and why social media is so addictive. And what the reason is human connection. Now, human connection is face-to-face connection. It's not done via this on video or via messaging on WhatsApp or Facebook. It is human interaction. Now, working in the office offered millions and millions of people every day that opportunity to have that human interaction. And what has been found out with addicts, and this was tested in Portugal. This was a huge study done in Portugal, where they were trying to integrate recovering addicts back into society, rather than just letting them get on with it themselves and trying to figure out how to live by themselves, so that they didn't, slip back into their addiction. So what they did is they started to create jobs for these people. Specific kind of restaurants for recovering addicts to work in, and what they found is the recovery rate and the reduced rebound of them falling back into old habits massively reduced. And what it was not only did it give them a purpose, that they were turning up for work, they were earning money, they had a purpose within that job, but they were able to gain human interaction within that work, not just with like-minded people, but other staff members and general public as well. And it was a fantastic return in results, purely by understanding that addicts need human connection. And just because you listen to this may not have a smoking addiction, an alcohol addiction, drug addiction, we are all addicted to something. It might be lighter, like caffeine and sugar. It might be video games. It could be absolutely anything. And a lot of that and the scale of the addiction is how much you're suffering from having that human interaction, and others is just that it's not too bad, it's not a thing. You've got to watch out that it doesn't get worse. So working from home is great, and it could be a very useful tool to clawing back time with your loved ones. But one thing I would highly recommend is do not lose your social interaction. So if you're having less and less conversations face-to-face with people that you were missing from the office, you need to get out more and more, okay? So whether that's going for a coffee, going for a walk, joining a group workout, keep your face-to-face social interaction so that you don't slowly drift away to the point where you're not seeing anybody at all, okay? So hopefully that's helped for you today. Recognize, are you drifting away? Are you isolated in a room with nobody around? It could be very dangerous. Catch it now, act upon it, have a day or two check in at the office or create more social events, and you'll be absolutely fine, okay? But make sure you get it done. Hope this has helped. If it has, make sure you hit subscribe and the like button, and share it with a loved one who also might be suffering from working from home.